is missing number. If this question comes up in your interview, how you will approach and explain to your interviewer so that he will select you. Okay, before starting the video, I just need to show you that this is my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe for this kind of coding related videos. And if you are preparing for your next interview, then go through the complete playlist where I uploaded multiple questions based on recursion, strings, array, and lot other questions from different popular platforms. So you can go and watch it. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So here, what is the question? Let me explain you a bit. So the question says it will give you a array. Okay. So the array are ranging from 0 to n, and n is also inclusive. So here it is saying it contains the numbers from 0 to n, but one number is missing. So if you see here properly, the length is 3. So what are the numbers from 1 to 3? 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. So this should be the complete array. So which number is missing in this one? You can easily tell 2 is missing, so you have to return 2. So for solving this one, you need some basic idea of XOR gates. So when you have two same numbers, the output becomes 0, means it cancels both the number. If it is different, then it stays. Okay. So we will be utilizing this approach to solve this question. There is also one more way of doing the solution for this that I will explain maybe in another video. But in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use XOR gate to solve this question. So here basically what we will be doing, we will be running a loop from 1, and that loop will go up to n. Okay, up to n means if the n is the length of the array. So let me write let length equals to nums dot length. Okay, and what we will be doing at the time of iteration from 0 to this all the array, we will be doing XOR. That means the same elements will be cancelled. Like if I show you, our array has what, 3, 0 and 1. If I will iterate from 1 to n, it will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, and 0 will be initially there, like our sum will be there, or maybe XOR will be there, like XOR 1 is there, I will have it 0. Okay, similarly XOR 2 is there, I will also have it 0. So here in XOR 1, what we will be doing, we will be storing the XOR of this. XOR 2, what we will be doing, we will be storing the XOR of this. Okay, at last what we will do, we will do XOR of both of it, so that both will be cancelled, same elements, and then we'll get the answer. Okay, it's very easy. So let me simply write for let I equals to 0, I less than length I plus plus. Okay, so here what I will be doing, I will be first doing XOR 1 is equals to XOR 1, and I will do simply XOR with nums of I. Similarly, I will do XOR 2 equals to XOR 2 XOR of, and here if you see, we as we are taking this 0 and 0 is already here, so we should be doing I plus 1 because we are going up to length. Okay, so that only we will be doing this 3 because initially it is 0, 0 plus 1 is what, 1, then it will be 1, 1 plus 1 is what, 2, and so on. So here we will be doing I plus 1, we'll do the XOR of it. So at last we will return whatever the XOR of 1 XOR of 2. Okay, so let me explain what is happening here. If you simply do XOR of this and this, what will happen? If you see, if I do simply XOR, 1 and 1 are equal, so it will be cancelled. Okay, 0 will be cancelled, so this 3 will be cancelled with this 3. Which one is left? This 2 is left, so it will be returned. This is the approach, and this is the best optimal approach which you can give to your interviewer. So let me run the test cases. So you can see our all the test cases have passed. Let me submit my solution. So you can see our solution beats 100% and it passed 122 test cases. Okay, and if you liked my approach, then please subscribe the channel, like this video, and share with your friends. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.